It's a Mastiff, I know, but what?
He is a South African Borbal. In the Mastiff family, but a Borbal.
Warble?
Borbal, yep. They were bred in South Africa by the Dutch to protect the farms and the villages from the large predators.
Very cool.
So very protective and territorial. So we're working around being neutral around distractions and people.
Good boy.
And thank you. He is a good boy. Yeah. He is a very good boy. Thank you.
He's very, very cool.
Thank you. Good boy. Sit down. Yes. Stay.
Yep, I guarantee that. That's an intimidating.
Yes, yeah, he's actually in protection work too, so we do personal protection with a trainer.
Yeah.
But I also work I work hard to make sure he's neutral around people and animals and
Yeah, variations of people.
yeah, noises.
Demeanor.
Yeah. Good boy. Thank you too, stay. Good boy. Heel. Good. Oh, down, buddy. Yes. Good boy. Wait. Thank you. Yes. Okay. Break. Yes. Nice work, me. Good boy, down. Yes. Good.
I think we should try mine.
Good job, buddy.
What kind of a dog is it?
He's a Borbal, South African Borbal. They were bred in South Africa by the Dutch when they settled there to protect the farms from all the large predators. So he's really territorial and protective. So we work a lot on socializing and being neutral in public around people and noises and animals. Good. He, since the day I got him at 8 weeks, he's 3.5, so we've had a lot of time together.